You catch. Oh, good girl.
Catch. You ready?
Oh, she's like ducking now. Oh, Tony, look at Nora.
Oh, you want to play ball too? Catch? You want to play catch?
She's like, what do I do?
Catch the ball, honey.
Throw it to Daddy, Nora.
Oh, gee.
Oh, God.
Oh, good try, Tess. You go, you catch. Put your arms out like that. Now,
Good girl.
put them together. No? Here, watch. You do like this. Put your arms together. Put your fingers out, and then say catch. Catch. Boing.
That was right off the top of her nose.
Well, then that's Tessie's. Here you go, Tessie. Hold it. Why don't you get one of the other balls? See? Catch. You catch. Whoa.
Oh! Oh, where did it go?
What do you want me to do? Okay, hold on. I'm playing catch.